Alright, going to do a real quick video here for anyone that's interested in my Kenmore Amana washer dryer set. And this washer is going to go ahead and fill up. Got a nice jeans and towel load there. And just want to show you that, of course, works real good. So I'm going to let it do its thing, and I'll let you listen to it, make sure it sounds good, and you can hear the spin cycle and see that it's nice and level and everything works good. Then I'll show you the dryer. So we'll let that finish filling up and go ahead and close it down there. It's in excellent shape. And Alright, so here we go into that spin cycle. And it's moving nice and fast. Sounds really good. It's not too shaky or anything like that. Just show you. Just spinning nice and fast. The lid switch works like it's supposed to. Kicks right back on and fires right back up. And while it's getting going again, got the dryer all ready to go. It's in excellent, like new condition. And the dryer itself, it's not very old at all. Only about 3 years old. You can see it works great. It's nice and quiet. So I'll wait till this is done here. Then we'll get the clothes moved over so you can see what it sounds like with a full load of clothes. Okay, so our load here is finished up. Just want to show you that these clothes are nice and light. No excess water in them whatsoever. Excellent. Okay, so I'll move those over to our dryer here in just a sec and let you hear that. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put this on just time dry. Got to load it up. There you go. You can see that it runs nice and smooth. Sounds real good. Give it just a sec to heat up, and then I'll show you that it is in fact heating. This heat gun shows the temperature, whatever this little red light is on. Let's give it just a sec here. You see the washer, nice and clean. All the way around. Really good washer dryer set here. Excuse me. Alright, I'll show you that it is heating. Takes a little bit to heat up, but we'll show you that the heat's coming right from that tube. And of course it heats up the inside real good to get those clothes nice and dry. So that's your heating element tube, and this tube over here is the air circulation tube. So there you go. Alright, well I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Let those clothes dry up, and if you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, thanks and have a good day.